Hi, in this video we are going to see one interesting topic or else the important topic. Okay, so you have to decide it is. Here I gone through the two different API scores, I mean academic performance indicator scores for the selection or the shortlisting criteria for assistant professor category. So one state is showing one API score and centraloid, that means UGC is showing the one more API score. Fine. So anyhow, we will see the details regarding this one in this video. Fine. So before going into the details, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then tap the bell icon. And please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues. Okay, I think it will be the important information. Fine. And please watch this video until the end, except the advertisements, to get the complete details regarding this API scores as well as the statewide and the central-wide. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video, so all of you know that recently we got the University Grants Commission's rules and regulations for the minimum qualifications for appointments of teachers and other academic staff in universities or colleges on February 2018. So that is the last time or the latest one, the UGC regulations. So in this one, I'm going to show you the, of course, total 84 pages are there. Okay, but I don't want to waste your time. Okay, so here the important point is for this video, that is 3.3. Here they mentioned that the national eligibility test or an aggregated test, nothing but a state level eligibility test, shall remain the minimum eligibility for the appointment of assistant professor and equivalent positions wherever provided in this regulation. So further SLET or SET shall be valid as minimum eligibility for direct recruitment to university. Anyhow, the candidates who are having the PhD as per the UGC regulations 2009 or 17, they are exempted okay, for the requirement of this NET, SLET or SET. So all of you know, and anyhow it is a 2018, and one more point is also mentioned that from 2021 onwards in the universities PhD is necessary, and coming to the colleges for the promotion purpose the PhD is necessary. Fine, that is a different thing. But here what I wanted to focus is that if you go to the API score or else the academic performance score for the shortlisting criteria of assistant professor. So here in table 3A, mentioned that criteria for shortlisting of candidates for interview for the post of assistant professor in universities. Fine. So you may check down the graduation. So 80% and above 15 marks, 60% and above and in between the 60 to 80 13 marks, 55 to 60 10 marks. Okay, so all these points are mentioned like this. For post graduation above 80% 28 marks, and 60 to 80% 25, 50 to 60 20 marks, and if the candidates are having the MPhil and PhD 30 marks, so net with JRF 7 marks and net or equivalent 5 marks. Okay, so research publications 10 marks and the teaching or postdoctoral experience 10 marks. So like this the points are mentioned. And coming to the maximum marks for the JRF or net or SET, they mentioned as maximum 7 marks, and MPhil plus PhD maximum 30 marks. So the total score is 100 marks. Fine. So it is the case of the UGC regulations. But if you look the government of Assam Higher Education Department, so on 17th November 2020, okay, they mentioned, and here also it is for the selection procedure for the post of assistant professor or librarian. So in this one also they mentioned that PG 55% must be there. Okay, good academic record as defined by concerned university with 55%. And besides fulfilling the above qualification, the net qualification or the SET or SLET must be there. Okay, so all these points are mentioned clearly here. And while coming to the score, okay, the scoreboard, if you check here, so HSLC 10 marks and HSSLC 14 marks. And coming to the degree, 25% of the total marks and 25% of the total percentage total percentage of marks in general course subjects. So 25 marks, and master's degree 30 marks. And coming to the research contribution and teaching experience, here you may check down PhD in the concerned subject from UGC recognized university. Marks will be awarded only if a candidate has PhD degree in addition to the eligibility requirement of NET, SLET or SET. Off-campus PhD is not recognized as per the government of Assam, dated on 9/7/2012. Fine. So this notice released on November 2020. Okay, that you may check down. 17th November 2020. We got this one. And in this one, they mentioned that the candidates who are having only PhD is not necessary. PhD plus NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. Then only the candidates will get the 9 marks. Okay, that means they are trying to give some preference to the NET, SLET or SET qualification. And in the same way, MPhil degree is also not, it is alone not required. MPhil plus NET, SLET or SET qualification must be there. You may check down. Marks will be awarded only if a candidate has a MPhil degree in addition to the eligibility requirement of NET, SLET or SET qualification. Okay, off-campus MPhil degree is not recognized as per the government of Assam. So, MPhil plus NET, SLET or SET, then the 2 marks will be awarded. Fine. So, from the government of Assam, here we got this notice on 2020 November. That means PhD plus NET qualification, MPhil plus NET, SLET or SET qualification must be there if you want to get the 9 marks in the case of PhD, 2 marks in the case of MPhil. Fine. So, the rules and regulation for the government of Assam regarding the assistant professor selection, it is looking like this. And while coming to the UGC, it is looking like this. Fine. The points are looking like this. So now, my small request is that if whatever the state you belongs to, if your state is having one separate selection criteria like this, okay, one separate selection criteria like this, for example, here I shown you the government of Assam. In the same way, whatever the state you belongs to, if your state is having the separate selection criteria for the assistant professor or like this, then please inform me in the comment section. Okay, so that we can able to check. Fine, for our comparison purpose. Fine. Anyhow, the further clarification has to be required. That means the UGC has mentioned that from 2021 July 1st onwards, PhD is necessary for the assistant professor and direct recruitment of assistant professor in the universities. Okay, it is clearly mentioned. But now few universities are implementing and few universities are not implementing that one. So anyhow, we have to get some clarity regarding this assistant professor qualifications. Fine. And I think that UGC has to release one fresh regulations, okay, regarding the recruitment of or the eligibility conditions for the professor associate as well as assistant professor qualification. So whenever the UGC is released the new regulations or else any one small notice regarding this topic, then immediately I will come in front of you with my video, guys. Fine. So to get the regular updates of my videos, so please subscribe the channel as well as tap the bell icon. And if you want, you may share this video to your friends or colleagues. Fine. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF.